Welcome to the Toberman Garden. Out here in the front boulevard, we have geraniums, bluebells, and shrub roses, and a little bit of yarrow in bloom. And in our front yard, we have more shrub roses and a whole lot of impatiens in bloom. And we have some stargazer lilies and some Shasta daisies in bloom in the front yard. This is our wonderful front porch, where we've had many of our family barbecues on this picnic table over here. We crowd the whole family together and we have a feast. This is our front foyer, featuring some beautiful oak woodwork. And there sits our mail table where our mail collects, and our front stairway. What a pretty room, and there's Toby's piano, the red dining room with the beautiful patinaed oak woodwork and an original gas light fixture. And here's our favorite room on the first floor, our kitchen, with our antique wood cook stove. Hidden in the niche. Ah, the Ruby's home, and she's going to show us her room. Here's our room. There's also a dressing room and a small bathroom. Our family photo walls. This is my sewing room where I've made many clothing items and household furnishings, and it doubles as a guest room.
This is my office. I'm embarrassed. It's always a mess.
I'm glad he said that, so I wouldn't have to. This is his office, which I don't bother to clean. We have a 2-person tub, jacuzzi.
Now we're going to go upstairs into the theater where we run movies in the parlor.
The show starts in 2 minutes.
Every other Friday night during the winter. Vast amounts of people come. Many a great movie has been seen here, and many a lousy movie has been shown.
Stinkers have been shown too. But everyone was in comfort of the food that chills the milk.
Somebody who has won for, I guess, the last 8 years. Some people don't have a life, and I guess this is where it is. And if you're really getting bored of this guy winning every year, you know, there are things you can do about that. So we have tonight Mr. Jerry Russell. If you'll please.
Me just like a hawk. I don't mind the way you talk, but if you touch me, something's got to give. Well, I live the life of love, and I love the life I live. My diamond ring ain't my money too. Tomorrow night they could belong to you. The women move me at their will. I live the life of love, and I love the life I live. Well, I mainly 100 on a bed this time.
Our backyard is nice and sunny. West 24th Street Boulevard Garden. Constantly in bloom.
Garrett's house was built in 1897 as well. There were 2 sliding doors in front and 2 in back where the horse and buggy would pull in. Upstairs was the hayloft. We are in the lobby. Bobby V. There's an entertainer from Minneapolis, Mel Jazz. Kim worked at Channel 11 with him. Received this in the mail. To Toby, I love your wife, you get lost. Mel. David Fry, wishing the Client brothers best of luck. Something from the recording session with the Lone Ranger, Clayton Moore. Old gang in Empire Photo Sound, movie poster with a Dorothy Lamour movie signed to Harley and Kim from Dorothy Lamour. And the old Toby's Tunes bowling team. 2 years, last place both years. Old studio. Three different packaging for Dog Adventure from Japan, for kids, for dogs. A letter from Mark Goodson Productions. To Tell the Truth. Yep, I was on To Tell the Truth. Big fun. This is Studio B. Floating isolated room. Production work, file conversions, etc. Studio A, nice room. Got a wall of compact disc sound effects there. Beta machines, computer stuff, mixing board. Ancient 2-track Ataris, 16-track Ataris. Equipment. The booth. Isolated freestanding room.